Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a low knot bun tutorial that I did on my TikTok, and I'm just showing you guys how I did it. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys how I did this bun, and it was actually cute. I still have it in to this day. And yeah, I'm just going through simple steps to show y'all how I did this. So first, I am using some spritz and the She Is Bomb wax stick. So basically, I'm just molding it down by sections. I just take the wax stick and put it on the part, and then I put the spritz on top of it, and then I just brush it down and use the blow dryer on low heat, and I use that to set it in place, and then I just go from section to section.
Touching this body of mine, you wanna be a good friend of me.
So now that I got the swoop down, it's time to move on to the baby hairs and the ponytail. I used the She's Bomb edge control and some Got To Be the black bottle for my edges, and then for the ponytail I used some braiding hair that matched my hair, and all I did was take some of it and wrapped it around and just twisted the hair into a bun, so to speak. Yeah, that's basically all I did. I was just trying to get my baby hairs together, and then yeah, y'all gonna see the outcome. It's really cute and simple. Let me know if you guys like it, and thank y'all for watching.